My take in all this, and where I share a frustration with AI, all the things, is I feel like I don't know. I'm not inside of Webflow. I'm not inside of Framer, but like I feel like these tools they're building lack a clear North Star on who it's for and what it empowers them to do. My big statement was really undermined by the fact I was sideways.
This I get
Um,
completely. Yeah.
it it feels like they're throwing stuff out there without really a clear direction of what we're trying to enable right now, and that's fine. Inherently that's fine. That's what humans have always done throughout history, is just we've got to experiment. We've just got to throw stuff out there. Sometimes we don't know, and just sit back and observe, and then through that we start to navigate. Okay, marketers are the only people who are using app gen, and then deal with that data. But similar to demoing broken software, maybe it seems like we've lost the art of finesse. I mean, video games are the clearest example. When you ship that cartridge, there ain't no going back from that cartridge. There was no
Yeah.
DMC or whatever you call them, downloadable content. So you need to get it right, you know. So maybe there's a bit of finesse that's needed for these bits of software, just to identify like, why are we doing this? Who are we doing this for? You watched the present. I didn't really watch it from end to end. Did they ever say like, this is for the next generation of designers who want to enter the world of development? Did they say
Not that
anything to
I
that effect on
remember.
any of the
Not that I
launches?
remember. And you're touching on such a good point. I think Webflow completely dropped the ball there with their communication, their marketing and communication, who they are for and what they are trying to do. Because they used to say that. What you are asking, they used to say, we're enabling,
Mm,
we are democratizing the web, building on the web, enabling more and more people to design and build websites. So that is,
mm. And that
yeah,
problem statement is
and
really
it's
nice
still
because,
broad. It's still like anybody who wants to build on the, but it's still like a clear statement. And right now, no, they don't have that. And when they showed these AI stuff that were at the start, by the way, I asked that in the live comments, and other people were asking alongside with me. They were like, who cares? Who is this for? Like, who are you trying to sell this to? I I never asked for an
mm,
AI assistant that is, half-ass working. And sure, do experiments, but don't sell it to me as your main selling point. And if you do experiments, I will
yeah,
actually, I am in the beta features that I get access to.
yeah. I was going to
I
say
would
they've got a
love to
group.
try new
They've got a
features.
group
I'm
of
not
people.
like against, these features, but I think they are like lost in the direction. They are lost in the, maybe they are not lost in the direction, but they are not capturing the imagination of people who get excited about cool things.
This is part of a larger conversation on my show, Command AI, which we stream live every single week. We discuss the news and all things related to AI in the world of design and web. Catch us next week and join in the banter.